Here are 5 ways to make money with cryptocurrency that you can implement immediately after watching this video, so make sure you watch until the end, so you don't miss any of these strategies. And now, let's get started. Airdrops is a distribution of a cryptocurrency coin or token for free to a certain wallet address owner in return for doing some certain tasks. This serves as a promotional strategy of a new up-and-coming blockchain project to generate awareness and gain followers. You just be aware airdrops are often used by crypto scammers, so be cautious and do your own research on any project before you join the airdrop. But I have a tips for you to avoid getting scammed. But before I tell you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming video. Now, let's talk about the tips I just told you. To be safe from scammers, use a different wallet account for the airdrops, not your account that has a fund on it or has other coins on it, so that your wallet will be safe from hacking. How do you actually make money from airdrops? The coin or token from airdrops are locked for a specified length of time. You are only able to acquire the tokens until the lockup period expires. And once the token has gained value and is already listed on an exchange, you can now sell it for a profit. Where can you find airdrops? The easiest way to find airdrops is in social media sites like Twitter or Facebook. You just search airdrops in Twitter and look in the search result for the new airdrops. Cloud mining is a process in which you join a mining pool and buy a certain amount of hash power. On the basis of hash power allocated, an equal proportion of profit is distributed among all participants in the mining pool. This is the simplest and most efficient way to earn money from cryptocurrency mining without purchasing and maintaining your own equipment. There are many companies that will do the hard work for you and participate in cloud mining for you at a low cost. Staking is the process of locking up cryptocurrency holdings in order to receive rewards or earn interest. Consider staking to be the cryptocurrency equivalent of putting money in a high-yield savings account. When you put money into a savings account, the bank usually lends it to others. In exchange for locking up your money with the bank, you receive a portion of the interest earned from lending, but only a very small portion. Similarly, when you stake your digital assets, you lock up the coins in order to participate in the operation and security of the blockchain. In exchange, you will receive rewards calculated in percentage yields following the lockup period. These returns are typically much higher than any bank interest rate. Investing is the buying of cryptocurrency and holding it for a long period of time. It requires you to do some research to be able to identify more stable assets that will be around for an extended period of time. This is the most common way of earning money from cryptocurrencies. Most investors buy coins such as Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, Ripple, and more, and wait until their value rises. Once their market prices rise, they sell at a profit. Trading is the act of buying and selling the underlying coin through an exchange in order to profit from the changing value of the underlying coin. Trading can be done in 2 ways: spot trading and futures trading. Spot trading occurs in the spot market, and it entails purchasing cryptocurrency at a low price and selling it when the price rises. Futures trading, on the other hand, occurs in the futures market and involves trading on the price movement of the digital asset, which means you can profit whether the price is going up or down. If you anticipate that the value of an asset will rise, you will buy to go long, and if you anticipate that it will fall, you will sell to go short. The outcome of your prediction will determine whether you profit or lose. Furthermore, futures trading allows you to use leverage to access a higher value trade with a small amount of capital. For example, $100 in your trading account with 100 leverage allows you to open trades with a maximum value of $10,000. While leverage can generate high returns, it also increases risk. There you have it, the 5 ways to make money with cryptocurrency. But here's a bonus for you: yield farming. Yield farming is a method of earning rewards on cryptocurrency holdings. In yield farming, an investor deposits units of a cryptocurrency into a lending protocol in order to earn interest from trading fees. Some users are also rewarded with additional yields from the protocol's governance token. Yield farming functions similarly to bank loans. When you borrow money from a bank, you must repay it with interest. Yield farming works in the same way, but this time the banks are cryptocurrency holders like you. Yield farming employs idle cryptos that would otherwise sit idle in an exchange or hot wallet to provide liquidity in DeFi protocols such as PancakeSwap in exchange for returns. If you enjoyed watching my video, please show your appreciation by clicking the like and subscribe buttons, as well as the notification bell. Thank you for watching.